Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Monday, September 16, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar weighted put call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading for September and October. Those were the big months today with 32 and 39% of the total premiums paid. Overall, we have a neutral dollar weighted put call ratio also. Going to the charts, here we have the daily chart for SPX, up 10 handles, 9.6 handles for the day, very nicely here, but a lot of the highs here. High today was 1704.95, let's call it 1705, and we closed at 1697. Seeing some profit taking there, the market did not stay near the highs. It's gonna be interesting to see tomorrow and Wednesday what's happening with the market. Are we getting a continuation here on this rally? Are we making a new all-time high? And what's going to happen with the FOMC meeting? That's going to be critical. I'm just taking a neutral standpoint as before we get FOMC. I believe it's going to be a big event. Everybody's expecting it to be. And depends on what Bernanke and the Fed comes out. We're going to have the market moving either up or down. My point, I believe taper will start pretty small, but I'm gonna play it via gold, not SPX this time. If we go to the Qs having an interesting day. While the market was up, this one we were down a 1/4%, as you can see here. Most of the big tech names down. We'll look at those in a moment, but big reversal here. You can see it here with big volume. That's interesting and worth taking an eye. Okay, now let's look at IWM. Up 0.22% for the day, basically flat. You could see it here, the market pulling back. We did want it to see a new all-time high for the Russell. We got it today here, but I wanted to see some continuation. I'm not yet ready to pull the trigger here for new highs. On gold, this is what we're looking on gold. As you know, we were short last week. We got short again. We're short here. And I'm looking here for lower prices. Let's bring this to 6 months. I'm looking for 124, the next target. I believe gold's gonna sell off this week. Big move on gold, in my opinion. We could get as low as this previous low here. Of this previous low here, which was around 123, 124. So that's going to be the target. For SLB, I'm also bearish on SLB. You can see it here, down 2.25%. Trading below 21 right now. I'm bearish. I'm looking for 17. Not this week. We break that 50-day moving average. We will get a sell-off there. That's going to be important. And next target would be 20. Apple having a horrible day today, down 3.2% for the day. You can see it here, closing at 450. After market, we're down $4 already. Cannot get out of its own way. You can see here huge volume today. We have been breaking here down. We broke the 200-day, broke the 50-day moving average. We talked about that. We were bearish, looking for 430. That's gonna be our target here on Apple. Let's go to Facebook. Facebook having a bad day today also. Down 4%. You can see here big reversal on Facebook. We opened a bit lower and then you could see it here just falling. Nothing is stopping it. We were overbought a little bit. We talked about that. Now we could be looking at this previous swing here of 41, 42, let's call it. I'm looking for 42 to hold. If it doesn't hold, we'll come back here. That's going to be pretty important. 39. A lot of levels from here for Facebook, but not much of a trade to the upside or downside. I'm not going to put my hand here from a knife falling. Let's go to Google. Google flat today to down. Not much going on here. We'll see what happens. Again, as I'm saying, I'm waiting for the FOMC to give their announcement, and after that take bigger trades. From here, not much going on. I prefer to see what happens, wait for the setups you like.